Nishera ya munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto mwena wa Samburu hindi ya kihinguro kia nyumba cia toro thukuru-ini uyu wa imwana wa Ndoto. Na niho Ruto aroire mweke ucio na kuria Aikari magacirithie githomo na oho kuhurana na unduire muhituke ni mahinda wa kuhikithia ciana cia airitu cire nini, undu uria ukoretwo ukihotomia githomo kia mwana wa kairitu na kumutunyukithia cioneki ciao cia rucio.
Mimi nasema nikiwa hapa tunataka watoto wasome. Na watu wengine hapa bado wanazungushana na kuoa watoto ambao wanasoma shuleni, mtakutana na sisi. Ujichunge. Hawa warembo wasome. Ama ni aje? Mwesikia watoto wanasema nataka kusoma.
Oho Ruto ni augite thirikari ni igutigirira ugitiri ni wagacirithio mwena ucio niguo kuhurana na wikinae.
Tutaweka uzito na kuhakikisha kwamba sisi wote tunaelewana, ili tuhakikisha kwamba hiyo ujinga ya kupigana na kuibiana mifugo na hiyo mambo mengine tunafunga nyuma huko, ili Samburu iungane na Kenya hingine twende mbele.
Maya magithiaga na mbere ikundi kiria kiitaga ta Kenya Maasai Student Association kuma county cia Samburu, Narok, Kajiado na Laikipia nikiugite nigiguteithiriria kuhurana na murimo wa mukingo o undu na kugimario gwa ciana cia airitu.
They apply and take action, especially around issues of teenage pregnancy. Right now, the reason we have this function is partnering with Narok County, especially the First Lady of Narok, Mrs. Sarah Tunai, and also the First Ladies of Laikipia, Samburu, and Kajiado. We realize that the issue around pastoralist communities on teenage pregnancies was a problem.
It is really sad. If you talk about 40%, that's almost half of the girls joining primary school become pregnant before they even do their KCPE, which is really a very big concern for me as the First Lady. I've continued championing for girl child education, eradication of bad culture.
Gikundi giki no kiugite ni gikuhurana na ihiko cia tene kuri ciana nini iria icungagiriria ciana nyingi gutiga thukuru.
Who says 15?
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.